In today's video, this is for you if you want to learn the easiest way to make money online for free quickly so you can start generating anywhere from $5 to $20 extra online right away. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you'll know that I use a variety of methods to make some extra money online. Many viewers have asked me what is the fastest and most realistic way to start earning between $5 to $20 extra per day online, so I decided to make a video about it. Now I'll show you the approach that I would recommend if this is your goal, because there are a lot of false claims out there that you should be aware of. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you multiple different methods, and not all of them might be the right for you. Not all of them might give the best opportunities in your country. That's why I'll show you different methods to then combine the different methods. Now, the first method I want to talk about is by using what's called get paid to sites and paid service sites. And again, I have many other options, so if you do not find that this is relevant for you, then just use the timestamps below to jump forward to me talking about the next method. So the great thing is that this is one of the easiest ways to start making some extra money online by sharing your opinion by taking paid service. Paid service is a really great way to make some extra money in some countries. With paid service, you will easily be able to make $10, $20 per day, and the thing is, many sites that offer paid service also offer other things. They're called get paid to sites since they can be used to download other apps, play games, click ads, watch videos, and more. And the key to earn with get paid to sites and service sites is to find the right one for your country, as what's the best service size for the US might not be the best for Brazil or for Australia and for Canada or Bulgaria or whatever. This is why I manually tested a lot of sites, I've done a lot of research, I've talked to hundreds of people all over the world, and manually built out lists that I keep updated on my website with the best survey and get paid to sites for a number of different countries. You can see the countries I currently have on the list, and as mentioned, if your country is not on there, there's also general top 10, but you can also just use some of the other methods. So the next option is to use passive income options, and one option is Honeygain, and another one that is very similar to Honeygain is Peer-to-Profit. You just install it and you earn in the background whenever you're online by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. Now, it will not give you huge earnings, but you don't have to do anything, so you can have it running while doing tasks to get paid to sites, then earn extra by doing that. It usually just takes a few clicks to set it, and then usually a few seconds per day. In some cases, no effort at all, just to earn a bit extra. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. The next option that I want to talk about is to use methods to earn cryptocurrency for free, and if you watched any of my videos, you know that I do love earning cryptocurrencies in different ways, and the great thing about that is that it has huge potential. So what you earn now can potentially become worth a lot more in the future if you hold on to it, and there are many different ways to do this. I have, for example, a whole playlist you can see on the screen now, and I will also leave a link below where I have videos about different free ways to earn Bitcoin or do crypto trading with bots or all kinds of other ways you can see also earn Bitcoin by watching ads. So a platform for this we can use is Nexo. It's kind of a crypto bank where you earn interest, so if you earn these cryptos in different ways, you put it in here. You can create an account for free, I'll leave a link below to that also, and then you can earn some cryptocurrency. Depending on your membership level, you can see that you can earn up to 18%. It's a little bit lower sometimes, a little bit higher for the crypto, and as soon as you have, it will get you paid 100 percentages. This is yearly percentage, of course, not daily, just to make that clear. But just by having money standing there, you will see your earnings grow passively at the same time, as you're waiting for it to grow in value. So definitely also something worth considering if you're looking for cash here. The next option is to participate in user testing, meaning testing websites and apps and giving feedback. There are quite a lot of platforms that'll offer you to do that, but this is just one example called user testing. But there are quite a few different methods, and usually they pay quite well. You can find a lot of different tasks you can qualify for depending on the country, but if you join several platforms, then you can earn even more. Sometimes you'll earn like $10, $20 per task. Sometimes you can earn $60 or even more, and I have a full video where I talk about these different online testing platforms. So there's one more option to go over before going over that, but it would be really great if you could just take 1 second to like this video because it can help it to be seen by more people, and I would definitely appreciate that support. So the last option I want to talk about is to use what's called cashback size, because if you ever shop online, then whatever you spend, you can get a percentage of that bag, and an example of cashback site is MyPoints. You can find thousands of different shops, so if you ever shop online, you can definitely find a shop here where you'll be able to get a percentage back. You can see that you can sometimes get coupons for eBay, Amazon, Walmart. My point specifically is that it's only available in the US or Canada, but there are many other cashback sites available in many other countries. So you go through a platform, click a link, and then you shop through what you were gonna shop for anyway. Of course, it's only rather than if you ever shop online, but if you do, you should definitely make sure to use a cashback site, because that can be a great way to both get coupons, but also to get back a percentage every time you shop online. So as you can see, there are a lot of really great easy ways to start making some extra money online, and many people have asked me about this, like how do I put together to start earning $5, $10, $20 per day online or even more, and these methods are all completely free and they can be fun. Some of them do not take a lot of effort and you can start earning today, so choose the methods that you want, find the most interesting. Yes, in some countries you might not be able to find a lot of user tests or a lot of paid service. That's just how it is, but you can use some of the other options. You might feel that it's unfair that in others it's so easy to earn $20 per day, while it's hard in others, but that's just how it is. The reality is that if you want to make money online for free, these methods do work, and if you put them together with a bit of effort, you can definitely make easy $5 to $20 per day, and in some countries, even more. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.